Good evening from Las Vegas Harry Reid International Airport. My name is Connor, and welcome back to another Nix Aviation trip report. This evening, I'll be making a mistake that I still regret to this day, flying a Spirit Airlines red-eye flight on board their Airbus A321neo. However, I'll be doing so in their Go Comfy product. Go Comfy is one of 3 cabin classes offered by Spirit, the other 2 being Go and Go Big. Go Comfy is basically an Americanized Euro business. It's just the regular Spirit seats, but with the middle seat blocked. I arrived in Las Vegas earlier in the day and remained within security for most of my layover here. I checked in using the mobile app and only have a personal item with me, so let's just head straight to the gate. Unlike my last trip report, where I tried Spirit's most basic fare class called Go, I have a bit more flexibility for this leg. Go Comfy allows you to bring a personal item, carry-on bag, and a checked bag at no extra charge to you. You also gain the ability to book what they call a comfy seat, which, again, is just a regular seat with the middle seat blocked. You also gain access to priority boarding, which is Zone 2 boarding, as well as a free snack and drink from the onboard menu. For a flight like this one, I think it is worth it to at least book Go Comfy, if not Go Big. My flight this evening is Spirit Airlines Flight 1853 with nonstop service to Orlando, which is scheduled to depart gate A15 at 10:55 p.m. Spirit, along with Allegiant and Southwest, operates out of Terminal 1 at Las Vegas. This entire airport is a lot nicer than I had imagined. The photos I'd seen online did not do it justice. It's a gorgeous airport with lots of places to eat and with absolutely no lack of slot machines. Here we are at gate A15. Boarding is scheduled for 10:10 p.m. My plane to Las Vegas is November 721 November Kilo, a 6-month-old Airbus A321-271neo. This aircraft was delivered to Spirit on July 29, 2024 and was built at the Airbus Hamburg factory. Not long after I arrived at the gate, a 20-minute cleaning delay was announced. This didn't bother me one bit because they at least actually announced the delay this time. Spirit's A321neos have 229 seats, 8 big front seats, 12 comfy seats, and 209 deluxe leather seats, as Spirit likes to call them. My seat for this nearly 5-hour flight is 6A, just ahead of the left engine. These deluxe leather seats are 17 inches wide and offer 28 inches of pitch. Unlike other ultra-low-cost carriers, the tray tables are close to normal size. In this case, it's actually a sturdy table. Further up is the literature pocket, which is the only pocket available as Spirit no longer offers personal item pockets on any of their aircraft. The middle seat is blocked by a metal tray with cup holders. Without further ado, we begin our pushback roughly on time at 10:40 p.m., so please enjoy the views as we depart off of Las Vegas, runway 1 right.
Please keep your seatbelt on.
passenger pocket contains a safety card, buy on board menu, the necessary credit card pitch, and a sick bag. Spirit offers an extensive buy on board menu, which includes snacks, both non-alcoholic and alcoholic beverages, and what they call premium snacks, which are commonly known as snack boxes. Go Comfy fares allow guests to pick snacks and non-alcoholic beverages for free, while the Go Big fare allows free premium snacks and alcoholic beverages. For some reason, the crew never asked for a snack choice, only a drink choice. They were less than friendly, but I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt, cut them some slack. It is 11 p.m. and I'm on an airplane full of drunk people, so we're just gonna roll with it. Wi-Fi was available for purchase during the booking of this flight, although it was apparently not activated yet on this specific aircraft. Spirit did offer to refund the cost of Wi-Fi to all passengers who bought a plan. With snacks finished, I'm gonna try and grab some shut-eye, so please enjoy our descent into a very humid Orlando, landing on runway 36 left. Now, back to what I said at the beginning of the video. Taking this flight was a mistake. I slept for maybe 15 minutes as the person next to me kept laying on the middle seat table, keeping me awake. The seat got more and more uncomfortable as I got more and more tired and was straight up painful to sit in by the time we landed. However, it was fun in some twisted sort of way. Now I can say I flew on a Spirit red-eye, so you don't have to. In all seriousness though, I think Spirit really has a great thing going with their new cabin and fare classes, and I really hope to see them recover from their financial situation. I have some flight credit left over from a mix-up with this trip, so hopefully I get the chance to do a trip report on Spirit's Go Big product this year. Thank you for watching this Nix Aviation Trip Report with Spirit Airlines. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.